India is facing growing international criticism over amendments to its transgender rights law. Walk with me. In April 2026, United Nations human rights experts formally raised concerns with India over changes to the Transgender Persons Act. The Office of the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights said the amendments appear regressive, discriminatory, and inconsistent with both India's constitution and its international human rights obligations. At the center of the controversy is one major change. India has removed legal protection for self-identified gender identity. That directly contradicts the Indian Supreme Court's 2014 judgment, which recognized the right of transgender persons to identify their own gender. UN experts say the amendments move away from recognizing the right of transgender persons to self-identify their gender. Critics argue the new definition of a transgender person is narrow, exclusionary, and discriminatory. Rights groups warn that the amended law could reduce protections for trans men, trans women, non-binary, and other gender diverse communities. The UN communication also warned that the amendments introduced language linking transgender identity with coercion, mutilation, deceit, and criminal conduct. Activists say this risks deepening stigma instead of protecting vulnerable communities. And this is happening in a country where transgender persons already face widespread discrimination. An NHRC-supported study found that 92% of transgender persons in India experienced physical or verbal abuse. 96% reported discrimination in employment. Nearly half never attended school because of bullying, harassment, and social exclusion. Many transgender persons are still pushed into begging, survival-based informal work, or unsafe conditions because access to education, healthcare, and formal employment remains severely limited. Healthcare inequality also remains serious. Studies show HIV prevalence among transgender communities in India is significantly higher than the national average, while barriers to gender-affirming healthcare and mental health support continue. Rights organizations and UN experts now warn that instead of expanding protections, India's amended law may further institutionalize discrimination against one of the country's most marginalized communities.